When a meerkat stands on a high point, scanning the horizon nervously, anxious eyes flicking from left to right, or curious heads pop up as an unusual noise is heard, like neighbors peeping out from behind a curtain, we know immediately what's going on. It all seems very, well, us. Could this be why meerkats frequently top many favorite animal lists, because we need to see our own behavior reflected to feel a link with a particular animal, or are we simply projecting human behavior onto meerkats because it's what we want to see? Let's investigate a bit of meerkat behavior and see what lies behind it.